Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to make a collage on Instagram. Stick with me till the end and let's get this video started. Tap on your stories option on the top left of your screen. Now your stories option will open up. Now you simply need to tap on this option, which is the layout. After you do that, by default 4 sections will open up. You can also tap on the layout again like so and select any amount of images that you want to add. Let's stick to 4 right now. Firstly, in this section your camera will be showing. Now you can simply take a picture right away, or you can also add it from your gallery. Tap on the plus icon on the bottom left and pick any picture. Again, repeat the same process. After you added all the pictures that you want to add to your collage, now you can tap on this tick mark. And just like that, your collage is ready. Now if you want to post it to your story, you can also do that. And you can also download it by tapping on the 3 dots on the top right and tap on save. And this photo will be saved to your gallery. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.